Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this gelatin cake. Very colourful and very easy. Start by syringing different coloured gelatin into a silicone ice cube mould. We're doing the colours of the rainbow, a few of each. Close that up and refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, get a donut-shaped cake mould and pour in some clear gelatin, just to cover the bottom. Then get your set gelatin colourful balls and place them on top. You can pile them up like so, and pour over more clear gelatin. Refrigerate that for 2 hours, turn it upside down on a plate, pour white chocolate ganache in the middle, and you're ready to roll. It's really that easy. Now just slice, let the white chocolate ganache ooze out, and enjoy your gelatin cake. Why not add a dash of colour to your day? Give it a go. Let's make a poppet cake. Bright, colourful, fun to make, and delicious. Start with some melted white chocolate, split into 6 bowls. Add gel food colour to each. You only need a dash, and they'll look something like this. Pop those into piping bags and pipe on each colour to 1 row of a circular poppet. Refrigerate till the chocolate is set. Meanwhile, flour a work surface and roll out some coloured fondant. We're starting with red, then orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. Taking one colour, we're going to slice it into rectangular strips. Repeat the same thing with each colour. Now get a vanilla sponge cake and slice the top off. Spoon on some sugar syrup and pipe on chocolate ganache. Layering it up in the same way with more sugar syrup and more chocolate ganache. Let's add another layer of cake and do the same. Thick chocolate ganache going on this time on the top and all around the sides. Now remove the chocolate from the poppet mould. And place on top of your cake. Brilliant! Next come the fondant strips, alternating the colours. And look at that! What a beautiful sight to behold! Poppet cake! Enjoy!